a girl with confidence. When a girl who will roll her hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When a girl who can go slow, wind it up all night, baby.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking for a super easy beginner friendly wig install, then you're at the right place. Today I'll be showing you how to apply this headband wig I got from Amazon. No glue, no hassle, just a quick cute look. Let's get into it. So this is the wig I ordered. It is a 10-inch headband bob cut wig with a built-in headband, which makes it so easy to throw on and go. It has 3 combs, one in the front, 2 on the side. And the headband is the plus. Before we put the wig on, let's prep our hair. I like to put a little cornrows in my hair, or what I would call cornrows, because I really do not know how to braid, so it can lay a little bit flatter. I do not use a wig cap with the headband wig because I like my hair to breathe underneath. Now let's get into this easy wig install. This wig comes with 3 combs, with the adjustable straps, as I said before, the Velcro straps. Just put it on, adjust it to your liking. You can remove the combs if you like, but I noticed that with the combs it adheres to your hair and make the wig stay in place. I did use this wig while I was on vacation, and I used some wig tape to hold it down because I didn't have any hair, and it held well. And this is me adjusting the strap in the back of my hair at the nape, and that's how it looks at the back, nice and secure. So this is the wig straight out the bag, out the packaging, and this is how it looks in the back and on the sides. So I'm just going to go ahead on and bump the hair with my flat iron. This is a great, easy, get up and go wig. You could try different headbands. You could wear this wig as it is, but I love switching up the headbands to match any outfit. And that is it, guys. A super easy, affordable wig install that literally takes minutes. If you're always on the go or just want a protective style, that is such a great option. Let me know in the comments, would you rock a headband wig? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more wig reviews, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.